Hello my favorite people, I hope you are doing good. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert your NFT into X tokens. If you want to convert your NFT into X tokens, a lot of people have NFTs and they have minted their NFTs and they didn't sell it to anyone. If you know you didn't sell your NFT and you have NFT, here is what you are going to do. They are going to convert it within 24 hours. So please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe now, subscribe ASAP. As you can see, I'm outside, but a lot of people been asking me about this. People are asking me about this, so I have to do this video real quick. All right, so please subscribe, go and subscribe, go and hit the subscribe button. What you are going to do is when you open your app here, you touch this convert NFT here. You touch convert NFT, you are going to see this information. They say send NFT voucher to the address. You see, everyone has this unique address here. This is a unique address. Someone can send it to you. If you want to buy, you fit buy from someone, and when you give him this address, when he send it to this address, you are going to receive it. And even if it is your own, you just need to copy this address, then you go to your Tonekeeper where you have your NFT and send your NFT to this address. I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's copy the address first. I touch the address, you will see X on your balance within 24 hours. So they say if you copy this, if you send your NFT to this wallet address here, you are going to receive your X tokens. They are going to convert it into X tokens. That is 69,000. They are going to convert it into, is it 69? Yes, it's 69,000 into your account within 24 hours, from which is NFT is connected to the chain client. You will be able to the tokens from an NFT only on chain after 24 October to help you to see the speed depend on the network load and technical issues. So they said you are going to receive your NFT maybe after they had the airdrop. You are going to receive on what? On chain network. They say on chain network. You are not going to receive that on your Bybit account, BitGet or OKS. You are going to receive them on your what? They say you are going to receive on your maybe like the Tonekeeper or your Tone wallet. All right, so let's go and see how to do it. Let's go and open our wallet. Here is our Tonekeeper. So we are going to open our Tonekeeper, and I'm going to show you exactly where to go and send your NFT. Well, I hope you have minted if you really do minted your NFT and you have your NFT already, I'm going to show you where you are going to go and send it to your account. Here is my Tonekeeper. So here is collectibles down here. When you look down here, you are going to see collectibles. Then you touch collectibles here, you see. So as you can see, I have already sold my own. I sold my own out. But even though I have sold my own out, I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, so you see, this is my own. I have sold this one out already, so I'm going to show you how to do your own, how to do the transfer. Come back here. As you can see, here is collectibles. Here, collectibles. When you touch collectibles, you are going to see where your NFT is. Here they have removed my own because I have sold it. I don't know why they removed it, but it is here. You are supposed to see it here next to this no miss. So you touch it like the way you touch this no miss. I'm going to give you just an example. This no miss is just almost like exactly the something. Then when you touch it like this, you are going to see transfer here. You see this transfer, then you touch this transfer like this one. You touch this transfer, then you put the address that you copy from this thing. When you put it like this is how exactly you are going to send it. Then you will send it, continue and send it. All right, this is how you are going to do if you want to send back your NFT, and they are going to change it from NFT to your X Empire tokens. All right, so if you really find this video helpful, if you really love this video, please hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and I promise I will keep updating you back to back. Thank you for watching.